Once you're in the playground, it's time to get creative with the design of your modal. You can add in some copy and change the colour and size, and do the same with the canvas. And with the button. And adjust the position of the button to be bottom left. You can also add in a fun and eye-catching image here. Ta-da! With the button, make sure you link to Complete Tour so that this is what we will track when users click on it. This is important for later in the recipe when you create your microsurvey, which we will only show to users who have completed the tour. Then click on Add Action, select Pitch, head over to your product roadmap in your pitch presentation, copy the public access link, go back to Chameleon and paste it in here. Then you can preview it to see what it would look like to your users. Once you're happy with your modal, head back to the dashboard.